Door handle came off of the 2013 Kia Sorrento. Originally started with this piece of plastic breaking off. Now the door handle's gone. So, opened up the door here. There's a little cap. You just used a small little screwdriver. Flathead, just popped it off. And if you look inside there, you should be able to see, kind of hard to see. Oh, there it is. Screw in there. All we're going to do is undo that screw, which attaches there. Take this piece off, put the handle back on, and pop the plastic piece on and rescrew it. Here's the new door handle. That's a piece that broke off. Got that little plastic piece off just by unscrewing it. New door handle is now on. Cap's back on. That took about 1 minute.